Ryan.
Hi, everybody. This is the introduction for the support staff, and we're going to go over some of the services that we have to offer all of your students. So first, my name is Mr. Coletta. I am the 6th grade and special ed guidance counselor.
Hi, I'm Miss Peck. I am the 7th and 8th grade counselor.
Hi, I'm Margaret Kruszewski. I'm the mental health specialist for the Student Assistance Program.
Hi, I'm Mrs. Maldette. I'm the behavior specialist at Wilson.
Hi, it's Mr. Lofton, and I'm a behavior specialist here at Wilson.
Hi, I'm Mrs. Reichbaum. I'm the 6th grade emotional support teacher at Wilson.
Hi, I'm Mr. Kester, and I am the 7th and 8th grade emotional support teacher here at Wilson.
So now we're going to go over some of the services that we have to offer. We have a PowerPoint that I'm going to talk about the slides from. So the first thing we're going to talk about is the Student Assistance Program. The Student Assistance Program provides support and intervention services for students to remove any barriers that may interfere with their success in school. SAP is a free, voluntary, and confidential program. Parent permission is required for participation in SAP services. Services offered by mental health specialists through SAP are consultation, in-school individual support, group support, mental health assessment, drug and alcohol assessment, crisis intervention and post-intervention, collaboration between parents, school staff, and community agencies. For any questions or concerns, please contact Mrs. Kruszewski at 814-874-6615 or mkruszewski@eriesd.org. Next is the school counselors. School counselors are vital members of the education team. They help all students in the areas of academic achievement, career, and social emotional development, ensuring today's students become the productive, well-adjusted adults of tomorrow. School counselors provide individual student academic planning and goal setting, school counseling classroom lessons based on student success standards, short-term counseling to students, referrals for long-term support, collaborations with families, teachers, administrators, community for student success, advocacy for students at individual education plan meetings and other student-focused meetings, data analysis to identify student issues, needs, and challenges, and much more. School counselors also advocate for student success, are universally accessible and collaborate with students, parents, and teachers, apply academic achievement strategies, teach students to manage their emotions and interpersonal skills, and career planning. If you have any questions regarding your 6th grade or special education student, contact Mr. Coletta at 874-6600 or mcoletta@eriesd.org. If you have any questions regarding 7th or 8th grade students, contact Ms. Peck at the same number, 814-874-6600 or mpeck@eriesd.org. The behavior intervention specialists. The behavior specialists intervene with students whose behavior and/or school progress warrants intervention. This may include de-escalation, mediation, and other intervention strategies. Consults with parents, teachers, caseworkers, probation officers, and other associated personnel to develop strategies to reduce or eliminate the indicated problems. Conducts social emotional behavior skills focus groups, and also provides prevention, intervention, and post-intervention skills as needed per behavior plans. Successful programs at Wilson Middle School. Peer mediation, which is a program that trains students to help their peers solve minor conflicts in school. Peer mentoring is a training program involving our older students learning to become mentors to the younger students through verbal interactions, activities, and tutoring. Since 2007, Wilson's peer mediation program has had a success rate of 95%. If you have any questions or concerns regarding female students, contact Ms. Maldette at 874-6600 or jmaldette@eriesd.org. If you have any questions regarding male students, contact Mr. Lofton at the same phone number or slofton@eriesd.org.
Oh, now we're moving on to emotional support. For sixth grade emotional support, period 1 is social studies. Students will be expected to follow along in the book while participating in reading, answering questions, and completing vocabulary. Period 2, students will complete daily writing prompts and complete work within the ELA books and online when assigned. Then period 3, they have related arts followed by lunch. Period 4, science, students will follow along in the book while participating in reading, answering questions, and completing vocabulary. Period 5 is math. Students will receive direct instruction through Ready, doing independent work on iReady. Sixth grade emotional support teacher information, Mrs. Reichbaum Howe. Phone number is the same as everyone else, 874-6600, extension 2237. My email is rreichbaum@eriesd.org. And the link for the Remind app is at WilsonES6.
Okay, for the 7th and 8th grade emotional support schedule, period 1 is social studies. Students work on current events, history, and geography. Period 2, when we go into reading, students work on the reading and writing skills. We will use the Ed app daily, books, audiobooks, magazines, and articles. Period 3 is also related arts and lunch. Make sure you're signing in to your relateds. Period 4 is science. We will work with scientific key terms and read current science articles. Then our last period of the day, math, students will work on iReady, which consists of a diagnostic, which will help guide what the student needs to work on for the school year. And here's my contact information if you ever have to reach me for any issues.
So you have our contact information. If you have any questions or concerns regarding your student or any services that we can provide, feel free to reach out to us and contact us at any time. And we hope you have a great rest of the school year.